Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Wilkista and thank you so much for being here. Welcome and welcome again. So for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to clean my fridge and I will cook some delicious meal. Yeah, that is all about today's video. So let's go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Now it is time to clean the fridge, and the first thing I have to do is to empty my fridge before I clean it, and that is what I'm doing.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of.
I'm also removing the shelves so that I can clean them differently. Sometimes it might not be necessary, yeah, but with me I just have to remove them. This is the current situation of my fridge, so that is why I just want to deep clean it and it will turn out clean.
By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So I decided to clean these shelves before I go back to clean my fridge, because I just want to leave them to dry up while I'm cleaning the fridge.
Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
time now to clean the fridge. Yeah, guys, what do you use to clean your fridge? With me, sometimes I use vinegar, sometimes I can use baking soda, sometimes lemon. Okay, all that products, it does wonders to me. I don't know what you use. You can share with me on the comment section down below. Please just leave a comment. Which product do you use to clean up your fridge?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So I'm done with the cleaning and I'm trying to dry them up with a serviette before I put them back.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
That is how my fridge looks like after deep cleaning. It really looks clean.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds.
So now it is time to pack my cereals, and I just store them on the fridge.
Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
So after all the cleaning, now I just want to prepare lunch, and in today's lunch I'm going to prepare githeri. Yeah, and I have some ingredients here. As you can see, I have so many ingredients, and that is why I just want to prepare githeri.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.